The hood is waiting for paint. I sanded the edges with 400 grit. I didn't use much time to that because, as I said earlier, the primer is very sandable, so it took me less than 10 minutes to sand these parts. I'm not going to paint the middle parts of the hood because it's covered anyways, so what's the use? And it's in good condition. I'm going to use satin black spray can paint to paint the edges, and let's see how it's gonna be. The underneath of the hood is now painted and paint has dried for a few hours, and I'm gonna flip this hood over and start sanding the top. The surface looks okay. Some spots has some roughness on it, but it looks quite okay, and I believe that this will do as a underneath part. So I'm pleased with this.